I teach you how to make burritos de barbacoa.
Place the tortilla on a hot griddle and let it warm for about 4 seconds. When you see that the tortilla puffs, it's time to flip them over. Now we're gonna spread about around 3 tablespoons of frijoles, beans, and then we're gonna add some barbacoa, salsa on top, and you can add some red or white onion, some pieces of cilantro on top of this. Of course, avocado. And now it's time to roll it over. So push all the filling to an edge of the tortilla and then just roll it over. And guys, this is how you make an authentic burrito. You will see how delicious it is. At my website, mexicanfoodbylaura.com, you can find a great variety of Mexican salsas and the authentic Mexican recipe to make this delicious barbacoa at home. So go for salsa cruda verde or salsa de serrano or molcajete salsa. What about a whole salsa bar? And believe me, your children and family will love these burritos de barbacoa. Enjoy, and I see you soon.